All right, everyone, good morning, and let's get straight to the point. It is July 12, 2023, and I'm going to talk to you about three stocks you might want to pay attention at. The first one was actually yesterday midnight, so it says today here, but that's actually, well, it was yesterday for everyone in the US, midnight for me because I live in Greece and I'm 8 hours ahead of New York Eastern Time. So whatever time you have in New York, I'm 8 hours ahead. If you're in California, I think I'm about 12 hours ahead. Either way, it was yesterday for US citizens in my Discord. One of the members said, "Mike, can you check CVKD?" And we were looking at it, and yesterday was around down here. Down here, it was a...
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.
It just had started to spike a little bit, and we were trying to figure out what's going on, why is it going up, but couldn't find any news, to be honest. And right now the stock is trading at over $4, guys, over $4. It's already gone up over, in the past 5 days, it's already up 129%, but all that gain was made starting yesterday. This is a 3 million free floater, so it's definitely going to have a lot of volatility. It could also be to the downside, so I'd be very careful. But looking at the press releases, the last press release was May 26. Looking at news, nothing. Of course, you don't use only Weibo app to look at news, I get it. I looked elsewhere, couldn't find any news. So yeah, I looked here also, not much. I mean, it was over a month ago. Don't know what's going on, really don't know, unless there's any news that will come out now about what's going on with CVKD. Or is this just a pump? It could very likely be just a pump. So, but that's one thing to look at for today if anyone's interested. The other one is T2 Biosystems. I think most of you know it. Past 5 days, guys, look at it. It just goes higher and higher and higher. It's doing awesome for so far, and I think it's being really good. Obviously, for those who've been earlier, got in 4 days ago or so on. So, but I'd be very careful with this one also. This one, they expect an FDA decision. So if things go well and they get approval, obviously, you know, the stock goes higher, but it's something to keep an eye on also. Now, the other stock I want to talk about, guys, the third stock in this video, Air France-KLM. This is something that I think people might want to look at. Year to date, it's up 38%. I find this more interesting, to be honest, because it's an established company, right? It's a legit established company. If you look at Biosystems, there's a lot of risks here. If you look at CVKD, a lot of risks. But obviously, if you're going to get lucky with CVKD or T2 Biosystems, obviously you're going to make more money with those. But you got to get lucky, like I said, because they're getting pumped. Now, Air France-KLM is up 38% this year. What's going on? This company's net debt was further reduced by 1 billion euros, and that's very important. Air France-KLM is focusing on improving its balance sheet, which is a positive catalyst to address investor concerns. And they are working, like I said, they reduced their debt by 1 billion euros. That has been very attractive to institutional investors. Rich people don't want to lose their money. They're very careful, or they try to be. So when they see Air France taking steps to make your balance sheet better and make the company better, then they're going to invest. And that's what happens here, 38% up. And like the company said, they're taking steps to achieve the medium-term core operating margin, which is very important, like I said. So for those reasons, I think this company is worth looking at. In my opinion, personally speaking, for me, it's actually a good buy at $1.90 right now. And there's also this news. Look at this, June 5th. Global airline industry profits are strengthening despite economic turbulence, right? People want to travel. They want to enjoy life. And also you have to take into consideration the risks with any airline. The airline industry in general on the stock market does experience some type of cyclicality sometimes, right? More often. So there is times when, as the sector in itself, it will go down. You'll see that in the U.S. Global Jets ETF, JETS. You'll see that cyclicality. You know, they're doing well, the airline stocks. For example, April 13, 2023, I had said that Delta Airlines was a buy at $34, and I had said it here, bought Delta Airlines at $34.62. That was April 13, 2023. I made the embarrassing mistake to sell it at 36. Yes, it was profitable sell. I made profits. I made good money, which was about a month later after I bought it. But you know what? Look at it. It was 34 when I said on my desk it was a buy. I sell it at 36. Where's the stock right now? 48. That is an insane, huge gain, insane amount of money that I left on the table. But it just goes to show you. I also got GOL Airlines right. Ticker symbol GOL. This is a YouTube video I did 1 month ago on YouTube. It was 358, and right now the stock is at 447. So I got this one right. I got Delta Airlines right, and I think that I will get this one right also, Air France. So Air France for me at 190 is a buy, and not something that I would expect, you know, within a week or two gains. Obviously, I mean, Delta Airlines, look at it. It was on April 13 when I said it was a buy, and then, you know, a few months later, now in July, it's at 48. So you'll have to wait. You know, these are swing trades; they're not day trades. But I'm not saying you should buy them. But I'm just saying don't go with expectations of getting a day trade. If you want day trades, then you look at really high risk stocks that can really, you know, either give you money or make you lose. CVKD going up like crazy right now pre-market. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of all out of the stocks that I just mentioned now. Which one do you think, right? I mentioned CVKD, I mentioned T2 Biosystems, ticker symbol TTOO, and Air France, right? Which out of the three you think is a better pick? Thank you very much and take care, everyone.